Welcome to an easy guide on how to disable spell check in WhatsApp on your PC after the latest update. If you've ever typed a message and watched autocorrect throw in odd changes, this quick tweak can save you time and keep your chats clean and accurate. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons and options. Look for the gear icon, which represents your settings. It's usually positioned toward the bottom of the menu. A single click opens the settings panel. Inside the settings area, you'll find a series of tabs and options. Among them, locate the section labeled Chats. This is where customization for your messaging experience lives. Click or select Chats to access all related preferences. Within the Chat section, scan for the option related to spell check. Depending on your version, it may be labeled spell check, typing assist, or something similar that controls automatic word corrections while you type. Toggle this setting off so that WhatsApp stops making changes to your words as you compose messages. After turning off spell check, it's a good idea to test the change. Return to the main chat list, open a conversation, and start typing a sentence. You should see your text appear exactly as you type it without autocorrections interfering. If something still seems off, revisit the chat settings and confirm that the spell check toggle is disabled. If you frequently switch between languages or prefer a hands-off approach while drafting messages, keeping spell check off can be a real time saver. Conversely, if you rely on suggestions for faster typing, you might re-enable it later by following the same steps. That's all there is to it. A couple of clicks and you're back in control of your wording on WhatsApp for PC. Or